Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Toyota Camry LT, stock reference number 5719. This shape runs from the 6th month 2006 through to the 11th month 2011. It has a 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, faded paint. Left front door has no damage, left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Boot lid has 1 small dent. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door 3 small dents. Right front door 1 small dent. Right power door mirror is faded. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with dark grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.